Hi traders, it's Berto. It is Friday 5 a.m. and this is the analysis for today. We're going to be trading only the Canadian GDP right here on Forex Factory that you see at 8:30 a.m. So I'll be in the trade room anywhere from 8 to 8:15, and then we're just going to be trading, and that's it. We're not going to trade anymore. We're just going to end the trade room early that day. All right, go on onto the trades that were taken Thursday night. Divergence on pound yen, euro yen, and Swiss yen. So let me just go over the trade setups. Again, I find it is helpful that when we do have successful trades that we go back and see how and why. So this is very simple, straightforward divergence, swing points higher, wave patterns lower, trend line break, stop loss above the swing high, market retest the swing high, and now it's selling off. This is pound yen. I got in very late on this trade. I was just focusing on two currency pairs. The other one's euro yen. Again, divergence, trendline break. Let me just go back to pound yen because we have to show the 4-hour chart confirmation. We had a bearish engulfing candle right there, and two lines of MACD cross to the downside. This is very important. You see the two lines of MACD actually crossed when this candle, when this 1 hour, actually this is a 4-hour chart, but this is a confirmation that what we see on the 1-hour chart, the bearish engulfing candle was actually the first, and that was more important. So when I saw the divergence on the 1-hour chart, I immediately went to the 4-hour chart to see if there was something to support the 1 hour, and there was bearish engulfing candle. Okay. And it continues to sell off. Swiss yen, same thing. We had divergence, trendline break right there. Market retest the highs, and now it's continued to sell off. 4-hour chart. We had this. We didn't have really. Yeah, this was a bearish engulfing candle, but it was only what's covering just two candles, which is enough. That's all you needed. You just make this bigger. Okay, bearish engulfing candle. It's almost like an evening star more than anything else, but it's this complete reversal with two lines of MACD crossing to the downside right there. And that's the 4-hour chart. So the 1-hour chart, divergence, crossover on MACD, and there's the trade. Okay, now I'm still in on Euro Swiss, which I'm not sure if this trade is going to work out. Okay, this 108 is the stop loss, which is pretty far away, and actually I had moved the stop loss to 109.10, which is it's too close. I'm going to have to move it lower. So I'm going to move it down to about 70 pips. 108.73. That should give me enough breathing room. Okay. This is let me change over to the 1-hour chart. So let's just see if it can stay below the 61% retracement level, which is around here. And that's 109.5, which is still not too far away. So I'll stay in this trade. It is divergence. on the 1 hour chart. It's clearly a divergence trade now, so I'm just going to exit this trade because it's not going to work out, and I don't want to have a 100 pip stop loss. So I'm going to exit that trade now. And wait till the market finds support, probably all the way down to the trend line, and then re-enter the market and buy it at that level. Okay, so we have Swiss yen looking for target down at 116.20 area. Euro yen looking for a target down at the support. Remember, divergence just gives everything back. Technically, it should go all the way down to here because that's where price started. But we're in an uptrend on euro yen, so on the daily and the weekly chart, so I just want to take profit down at this level and not risk staying all the way down here. Okay, and on pound yen, it broke the first support right there. So the next support is down here. Okay, so 144.28. I'm not sure if I'll stay in that long. We have news events coming out at 8:30, and the markets usually retrace before 8:30, so I may just exit these trades before then. And I think that's it. That's the analysis for today. Euro dollar has retreated from the highs. Let's see if it can break below 113.86. I think it may, but it's going to be a strong support level. Here is the support that was at one point resistance. So it's going to have to break this level of 113.86 before it can get down to 113.27. EuroCAD is actually a sell right now, but it's, let me see if we can take a trade on this pair. There's the previous support level, so yes, you can enter this trade. It'll probably go down to 147.42 with a stop loss above 148.95. Euro is weak today, so I would recommend selling any euro crosses. Aussie yen, yes, it's retracing. Let me see how much of it's retracing. Not much. Not much of a retracement. If it breaks below the support, then yes, you need to get out. If you did take this trade, I did not. I was waiting for the market to find support to re-enter the market. So let me see if there's any trades. CAD yen, understandably, this would definitely sell off because we have news events coming out at 8:30. So there was the divergence, trendline break, and now it's starting to head south. It took a while, but it is starting to do that right now. And that's it. I guess that's all the trades, all the analysis for all the pairs. USD Swiss is going up, I'm sure. Yeah, here's divergence. This was what I was waiting for, but it's too late to take this trade. Here's divergence on dollar Swiss, trendline break. It's in an uptrend. Look at the 4-hour chart. We have two lines of MACD crossed into the upside. So yes, this is a good trade to take, but I have too many positions open. The target, the first target is 96.14. So you can take this trade now. That's about 25 pips. I'm sorry, actually the resistance is up here. That would be the area, 96.39. Clear divergence, two lines of MACD in the 4-hour chart, cross into the upside. So really the first target is all the way up here, anywhere from 96.14, 96.39. So let me just send this video out so you can get this and possibly be able to enter any of these other trades. Again, 8:30 news event, Canadian news release, and we'll be trading that at 8:30. Okay, see you guys at 8 o'clock.